to sing happy birthday to her son on her birthday. So we try to sing down with you. 1, 2, 3. Bare bare dile, bare bare dile, tujhe hasan ye happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So just so you know, I think that's how people are saying happy birthday. You know, people saying happy birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. But a party like it's your birthday. Make some noise.